The Indian Premier League retentions for the existing 8 teams have been completed with MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, all big-ticket players retained by their respective teams. But there were a few more names who joined the list of retained players, and there were some prominent names who missed the cut. Here's the complete report.
Some expected names and some surprises. The 8 existing IPL teams have announced their retained players for the next 3 seasons. Prominent names like Hardik Pandya, Rashid Khan, Shreyas Iyer and KL Rahul are among those who don't feature on the list of retained players by their respective franchisees. A franchisee was allowed to retain a maximum of 4 players, 3 Indians and 1 foreign, or 2 Indians and 2 foreign players. Mumbai Indians have retained their core group with captain Rohit Sharma as their first choice. Jasprit Bumrah, Kieron Pollard and Suryakumar Yadav are the other 3 players on their list. Mumbai have gone full throttle to get 42 crores deducted from their total purse of 90 crores, which means they will now have just 48 crores to spend from at the auction, where they can pick the rest of their squad. Chennai Super Kings, as expected, have retained MS Dhoni, who will again lead the team in the next season. Ravindra Jadeja, young Ruturaj Gaikwad, the top run scorer last season, and Moeen Ali are the other 3 players. The surprise though is that Dhoni is not the first on that list. Jadeja is the first retained player for CSK, which means he will fetch 16 crores ahead of MS Dhoni, whose salary is now listed at 12 crores. Delhi Capitals have chosen to let go of Shreyas Iyer, who was their captain until 2020 and recently made a sensational test debut against New Zealand. Delhi Capitals list includes Rishabh Pant, opener Prithvi Shaw, South African paceman Enric Norke and Akshar Patel. Virat Kohli had given up his RCB captaincy midway last season, but he was still their first choice on the list of retained players. He is joined by Glenn Maxwell and Mohammad Siraj among the only 3 players who've been retained by the franchisee. Inaugural champions Rajasthan Royals have gone in with Sanju Samson, Joss Butler and uncapped Yashasvi Jaiswal. It is learned that Punjab Kings wanted to retain KL Rahul, but according to the rules laid down by the IPL Governing Council, the player would have the last say if he wants to be retained or not. Apparently, KL Rahul is looking for a new franchisee and is expected to join the Lucknow team as the captain. In his absence, Punjab has retained Rahul's opening partner Mayank Agarwal and uncapped fast bowler Arshdeep Singh. Sunrisers Hyderabad have picked 2 uncapped players in Abdul Samad and Umran Malik, both from Jammu, while they have shown their faith in Kane Williamson as the captain. Rashid Khan was in talks with the Hyderabad franchisee to be retained, but the Afghan leg spinner wanted to be the first retained player, which would have fetched him 16 crores. However, that didn't happen. Kolkata Knight Riders have retained 4 players in Andre Russell, Sunil Narine, Venkatesh Iyer and Varun Chakravarti. The 2 new franchisees, Lucknow and Ahmedabad, will now get the opportunity to pick 3 players each before all the teams head to the mega auction, which is expected either in the last week of December or first week of January. Sports Bureau, India Today.